Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this week's episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we continue our look at the Chinese astronomers to talk about the astronomer Guo Shoujing and to look at his contributions to our understanding of the heavens. So let's go ahead and get started. By the 13th century, Chinese astronomy had become a highly organized state science. Astronomers were responsible for tracking the sun, moon, and planets and maintaining the imperial calendar. An accurate calendar was not just a scientific tool. It governed agriculture, festivals, taxation, and even the authority of the emperor. When the calendar drifted out of step with the heavens, it was seen as a sign that something was wrong with the order of the world. During the Yuan dynasty, one astronomer was entrusted with solving this problem, Guo Shoujing. By Guo Shoujing's time, the existing calendar had accumulated errors. Predictions of solstices, equinoxes, and eclipses were no longer as accurate as required. This created practical problems. Farmers depended on seasonal timing. Officials depended on the calendar for ceremonies, and the emperor depended on it as a symbol between the harmony between heaven and earth. To restore accuracy, the Yuan court ordered a major reform of the calendar. Guo Shoujing was placed in charge of this effort. Guo Shoujing believed that the key to an accurate calendar was precise measurement. He designed and improved several astronomical instruments, including large gnomons to measure the sun's shadow, armillary instruments to track celestial motion, and water-powered timekeeping devices. Using these tools, he organized extensive observation programs. Measurements were taken over long periods of time to determine the exact timing of solstices and equinoxes. More than 3 centuries later, the Danish astronomer Tycho Brahe would take a similar approach. Like Tycho, Guo Shoujing believed the heavens must be carefully measured, not simply described by tradition. His work marked one of the most precise observational efforts of the medieval world. The result of these efforts was a new calendar known as the Shosha calendar, introduced in 1281. This calendar incorporated more accurate measurements of the tropical year, improved eclipse prediction, and refined calculations of planetary motion. The length of the year calculated in the Shosha calendar was extremely precise, very close to modern values. Its accuracy was so great it remained in use for more than 3 centuries. At a time when many parts of the world still relied on older calendar systems, Guo Shoujing's calendar represented one of the most advanced timekeeping systems of its era. Guo Shoujing's work marked a high point in traditional Chinese observational astronomy. Through careful measurements, improved instruments, and mathematical precision, he restored the accuracy of the imperial calendar. His work showed that astronomy was not only about understanding the heavens, but about maintaining order in society. In the Yuan dynasty, the movement of the sun and stars guided the rhythms of life on Earth, and Guo Shoujing also helped to ensure those rhythms remained in harmony. Guo Shoujing stands as one of the greatest observational astronomers of medieval China. Through precision instruments and careful measurements, he created a calendar that served the empire for generations. His work reminds us that the pursuit of accurate timekeeping has always been at the heart of astronomy. In the Yuan dynasty, the order of the empire depended on the order of the heavens, and Guo Shoujing measured both with remarkable precision. So that concludes this week's Multicultural Astronomy episode on the astronomer Guo Shoujing. We'll be back again next week to talk about another Chinese astronomer. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.